Amazon just supercharged Alexa with AI magic. But hold up, Tech Fam. Before you ask her to plan your weekend, there's some drama you need to know about. Hey Squad, today we're breaking down the real tea on Alexa Plus, Amazon's AI-powered glow-up that's either gonna make your smart home genius level or leave you screaming, "Alexa, why?" into the void. Let's rewind. Last year, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy promised a remarkable new Alexa. Fast forward to now, over 100,000 beta testers are already using Alexa Plus, and it's rolling out to millions. But what's the big deal? Old Alexa, robotic, scripted, basic. Alexa Plus, Chat GPT-level conversational AI. She's smoother, handles complex tasks like booking restaurants, and even stumbles less when you ramble. Example, Alexa, actually, never mind, cancel that. And she gets it. Alexa, my cat's birthday is Friday. Help?
Ordering tuna cake ingredients. Dimming the lights for mood. And queuing there. Meow Mix Remix. Septi. On Spotify. Mic drop.
But let's keep it 100. Amazon's own CEO called Alexa Plus primitive last week. Translation, it's still kind of yikes. No bedtime stories, no Grubhub orders, can't recommend gifts, and multi-step tasks, she's only nailing them 30 to 60% of the time. That's like trusting Siri to plan your wedding. Oh, and P.S. Alexa Plus only works on new Echo shows, 8, 10, 15, and the web. Got an older Echo? You're stuck in 2019, my friend. Here's where it gets spicy. Alexa Plus can read your legal docs and family recipes now, but delete them? Nah. You gotta beg Amazon support, and even then, traces might linger. Cue privacy panic. So, is Alexa Plus worth the hype? If you're a smart home addict craving next-gen AI, maybe. But with missing features and accuracy issues, casual users might want to wait. Pro tip, watch for Amazon's Medes project, their secret ChatGPT killer. That could be the real game changer. Alexa Plus is like a Tesla on beta mode. Flashy, futuristic, but don't take your hands off the wheel yet. Drop a comment. Will you upgrade or wait for version 2.0? Smash that subscribe for more unfiltered tech takes. And hey Alexa, if you're watching, we're rooting for you. Mostly.